I think there should be more men pushing the gender issue. The reason why I'm here is because I was part of the team that brought together the conference proceedings from the GenSet project, which was finalized last year. The fact now is that there are more undergraduates that are women than men, but once you come to who's taking a PhD, there are about 50-50 women and men, and the further up you get on the career ladder, the less women climb that. So when you come to grade A positions, which is sort of full professor level, it's only around 20% that are women. And that means that we've lost 30% of sort of wasted talent. And therefore we try to focus on that for politicians and for people working in research institutions and universities, trying to sort of pave the way so that more women go right up the top of the ladder. It's partly a question of flexible positions, because even though we're sort of try to make things equal, equality between men and women, there are still sort of a larger burden taking care of the home, taking care of the children, that is pushed on to the women, which is one of the reasons why they jump off. So the more flexible the systems are, the better for recruiting the women. And also, for instance, if you introduce perhaps part-time positions, it would be possible for the woman to sort of hang on a part-time position while having an increased burden at home, rather than jumping off. These questions are sort of practical, but to implement them, you need a political will and power. So I think the summit should come up with some very concrete conclusions and recommendations. And I'm pushing one. I'm at this conference pushing that we should get an indicator into that scoreboard, and also into the indicators that sort of mirror the development of the European research area. And I hope that indicators can be, well, plainly speaking, percent of women in researchers' grade A positions. And if we get that, the politicians will see that this is intolerable, because it's a waste of talent, and we have to do something about it. Yeah.